Have you ever woken up and felt different? Like your strength is slowly slipping away? That chair feels heavier, the stairs feel longer, and carrying those grocery bags feels like lifting bricks. But here's the thing, you're not imagining it. What if I told you that the very foods you trust, the ones sitting right there on your kitchen table, could be quietly draining your strength day by day? This isn't about extreme diets or rare ingredients. We're talking about common foods, some of them even labeled healthy, that are secretly weakening your muscles, especially if you're over 60. And by the time we finish this video, you'll learn about one food that looks completely innocent, but actually blocks your muscles from absorbing the minerals they need the most. You may never look at your plate the same way again. Stick with me, because the first one we're going to talk about is likely something you ate just this week. So here's a question. Have you been doing everything right but still feel weaker? You're not alone. Many people over 60 think muscle loss is just a part of getting older. But the truth is, it's not aging that's the enemy. It's the silent saboteurs, hiding in your daily habits. And we're uncovering 5 of the most dangerous today. Welcome to Modern Health Co, your trusted space for reclaiming energy, strength, and independence with smart, simple lifestyle changes. Section 1, white bread and refined carbs. Let's start with something that feels comforting, like a slice of warm French bread or your favorite pasta dish. But here's the truth. White bread, refined pasta, and even store-bought cookies are loaded with simple carbs that do more harm than good. They spike your insulin, ignite inflammation, and block your body from absorbing amino acids. Yes, the very building blocks your muscles need to stay strong. Even worse, these foods don't keep you full. They make you crave more. So you keep reaching for another slice, another cookie, another bowl. Sound familiar? For people over 60, this starts a dangerous cycle. Your muscles lose strength, your fat stores increase, and even simple things, like getting up from a chair, start to feel like a challenge. Here's what you can do. Switch to 100% whole grains, lentil-based pastas, or quinoa. At breakfast, replace white toast with whole grain or sprouted bread. These changes help stabilize blood sugar and support steady, healthy energy. Remember, strength starts with what's on your plate. Section 2, the juice trap. Let's talk about something that sounds healthy, but could be setting you up for weakness. Boxed fruit juices, even the ones that say no added sugar, are usually full of concentrated fructose and completely stripped of fiber. Without fiber, that natural sugar turns into a liver overload. And your liver plays a crucial role in regulating inflammation and maintaining muscle regeneration. So when it's overwhelmed, your body suffers. Your blood sugar spikes, insulin resistance builds. And instead of feeding your muscles, you're feeding fatigue. So what should you drink instead? Reach for whole fruits like berries or apples. Or try lemon water, sugar-free herbal teas, or fruit-infused water. These options hydrate you, nourish you, and actually help reverse some of the muscle damage caused by sugary drinks. And if you're still drinking processed juice every day, it might be time to rethink that habit. Section 3, processed meats. Let's move to something even more dangerous. It's salty, quick to prepare, and often used in sandwiches or breakfast plates. Ham, salami, bologna, sausages. These ultra-processed meats may save you a few minutes, but they're slowly robbing your body of strength. Why? They're full of nitrates, trans fats, and sky-high sodium levels. These ingredients cause inflammation, damage blood vessels, and block your muscles from healing after even simple movements. And here's the kicker. The protein in these meats is poor quality. Your muscles can't rebuild themselves with low-grade protein. So over time, you lose mass, you lose function, and you might even lose confidence. But here's your upgrade. Choose lean, whole protein sources. Grilled chicken, turkey, eggs, beans, lentils, chickpeas. These foods support muscle growth, boost your energy, and reduce your risk of heart disease and high blood pressure. Yes, you can enjoy meat. Just choose wisely, and your muscles will thank you. Section 4, spinach, raw. This next one will surprise you, because it's known as one of the healthiest foods on the planet. Spinach. Yes, raw spinach can actually block your muscles from absorbing 2 of the most important minerals for strength, calcium and magnesium. Why? Because it contains something called oxalic acid. Oxalic acid binds to minerals in your digestive system and stops them from getting into your bloodstream. So even if you're eating healthy, your muscles could be starving. And when you're low in calcium and magnesium, the symptoms creep in: muscle cramps, joint pain, fatigue, balance issues, and even kidney stones. But here's the good news. Cooking spinach, steaming or lightly sautéing it, breaks down most of the oxalic acid. And rotating your greens with kale, arugula, or romaine gives your body more variety and balance. Pair your greens with calcium-rich foods like nuts, sesame seeds, and a bit of yogurt or cheese. It's not about cutting out healthy food, it's about preparing it the right way. Section 5, coffee in excess. Now let's touch on something that's probably in your hand as we speak. Coffee. Yes, coffee can give you a boost. It sharpens focus and feels comforting. But if you're over 60 and drinking too much coffee, it may be silently stealing your strength. Too much caffeine interferes with mineral absorption, especially calcium, magnesium, and potassium, all of which are critical for your muscle contractions and recovery. Caffeine also increases cortisol, the stress hormone. And when cortisol stays high for too long, it leads to muscle breakdown, something called catabolism. That means your body literally uses your muscles for energy. And poor sleep from too much caffeine? That blocks the release of growth hormone, one of your body's main muscle repair tools. Solution? Limit coffee to 2 cups a day. Avoid it on an empty stomach. And try swapping your second cup for green tea, which has less caffeine and adds antioxidants to your system. Your muscles will thank you, not just today, but for years to come. The turnaround plan. Now that you know what's weakening your muscles, here's the exciting part. You can rebuild. Your muscles don't know your age. They only respond to what you give them. So give them these 3 essentials. Protein at every meal. Eggs, fish, chicken, beans, nuts, tofu. Spread it out during the day to keep your body constantly building. Movement you enjoy. Walking, climbing stairs, gardening, resistance bands, simple strength exercises. These don't just preserve muscle, they protect your independence. Deep, restful sleep. It's not optional. Sleep is when your body repairs and strengthens. Treat bedtime like part of your health plan. Wind down, unplug, and rest. So now that you know the 5 muscle-sabotaging foods, I have to ask, which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Your experience might help someone else on the same journey. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with a friend or loved one, and make sure you're subscribed to Modern Health Co. for more real, science-backed health tips designed just for you. And remember, your strength isn't gone. It's waiting to be rebuilt, step by step, meal by meal.